Today I'll show you how to swap the color of your Redmi 9A easily. Watch till the end for the full guide and subscribe for more videos like this. How's it going everyone? Hope you're having an amazing day. Today I have a Redmi 9A, which is a budget phone. The specs are nothing to write home about, but it's still a perfectly usable phone and some of you might even own it. The back cover is scratched, has scuffs and has some impact marks in some corners. If you own this phone and yours is in similar shape, it's quite easy and cheap to change the back cover. Luckily the screen isn't damaged, so let's get started. The first thing to do is to remove the SIM tray. The phone has space for dual SIMs and has an SD card slot, something we don't see on flagships anymore. After the SIM tray is removed, all we have to do is use a plastic pick to open it up. I found the best way of entry is right above the SIM tray because the plastic is weaker and the pick can get inside. After that, you can go around the frame of the phone until it pops off. It isn't held down with any adhesive, so it's nice and easy to remove. The only thing to watch out for is where the buttons are. Go slowly around there to not damage them. And just like that, the back cover is removed, and here is how the phone looks inside. I want to take a moment to thank you for joining me on this video. If you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the pop-up banner above to watch my phone restorations playlist. In this playlist you can see amazing restorations for phones such as the legendary Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge or the iPhone 11 Pro. If you want to go the extra mile, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks! With the phone opened, I will use a brush to clean out the dirt that got between the back cover and frame, as well as the speaker, microphone and charging port. With that taken care of, here is the new back cover, a nice bright blue. If you're wondering, I bought a blue back cover and blue SIM tray for around $10. Now, let's put everything back together, starting with placing the buttons inside the new cover and making sure they stay in place. After which, we can simply push the cover on the phone until it clicks in place all around. Make sure to check around the sides if the cover sits nicely on the phone. Now I can place the new color matched SIM tray in its location and remove the plastic protector. And that's it guys, easy and cheap color swap for the Redmi 9A. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, you guys are amazing, that's it for today, see you next time, bye!